Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the OpenAI Codex CLI, a command line interface powered by AI that promises to make coding faster, easier, and more intuitive. Let's see if it's really worth your time. What it is. OpenAI Codex CLI is a developer tool that brings the capabilities of OpenAI's Codex model directly to your terminal. Instead of manually typing out every command or script, you can describe what you want in plain English, and Codex will generate the code or run the command for you. You can also ask it to debug, explain existing code, or modify scripts. It supports multiple programming languages and integrates seamlessly with your development environment. Who it's for? It's perfect for developers who want to speed up their workflow, beginners who need help turning ideas into working code, and anyone who prefers a conversational approach to coding. What people are saying. Positive. Many users love how it reduces repetitive coding tasks and makes complex commands easier to remember. Negative. Some say it occasionally produces code that needs debugging or doesn't fully match the request. Pros. Speeds up coding and automates repetitive tasks. Works in plain English, no memorizing every command. Supports multiple languages and frameworks. Cons. Requires internet access since it runs on OpenAI's servers, may produce imperfect code that needs manual fixing, limited free usage if tied to API credits. Recommendation. So here's my take. If you code regularly and want a smart assistant right in your terminal, Codex CLI is a powerful tool worth trying. Just be ready to review the output before deploying. So that's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts on Codex CLI in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.